Whew. Everyone's up ahead. Hey, Uni, come. Come on, son. Come on, son. He doesn't want to come, he's tired. Honey doesn't want to move. Come on. Daddy, come get you. Yeah, we'll do it together. Come on. Okay. Look how far everyone is ahead of us. Okay. Me and Uni are walking on our own pace. Our own steady little pace. Hey, Uni. Because Uni's got to see some scenery, so he wants to do that scenery look around thing. Let's go. And here we are. We've caught up with everyone. Woo! Hey, that's not fair. We need to have a sit down. Want to sit down, Uni? Huh? Yeah. All right, let's go. Come on. Okay. We did plan B because those guys have gone ahead of us again. And Uni was going a bit too slow, so I'm carrying him now. Funny guy. Hey, it's a long walk. It is a long walk. But it's good. Let's go. Again on solid ground, which Uni loves. He doesn't like the grass. Look, now he's rocketing over there to mum and dad. Oh, wait, to mum and kids. Daddy's here filming. All right. Walk back this way, honey. Mimi.
Open megaphone, you see.
That's not how you walk. Walk properly. Okay.
Okay.
He's trying to look brave doing it. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh gosh. Take those off now, honey. What are you doing? Are you drawing? Are you drawing?
Yes.
Good boy. Go show Daddy how you draw. Yay. There's your sister over there. Hi, Meme. You having fun? You ready to go home? Uni, do you want to go home now? Okay. You guys do your drawing. Yeah, go.
Hi, Gianna. He said, jump off.
Go, Meme. Woo. Meme's almost there. Go. Whee! Yeah, Meme. Yeah, Meme. Woohoo! Was that fun? Good, Meme. Uni decided that he'll take on the big slide on his own. And Miller's going with him. Goodbye, Uni. Imela, be careful. Come on, Uni. Yeah, baby. Look, your brother's still trying to get up. Come on, son. You can do it. I'm gonna pull all this in fast forward mode. Let's try and edit. Come on, Uni. Uni. He's almost there. Mela, help your brother. Yeah. Hi, son. Here we go. Woo! Yeah, you did it, son. And here comes Mimi. Whee! Yeah, you did it. Here you going again. When he loves the slide now. Look at him. Look at him go. He's much faster now. Go, Uni. Alright, here we go. Come on, Uni. Yeah. She's good Sali io faccio solo cavallo. Le Kenny. Oi, cut it out. Shh. Oi, cut it out. I know. Mimi. Whee! Push, man. Push. Hurry up. Push. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Push. Whee! 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 Mimi. Okay. Whee! Come on, boy, put some muscle into it. Whee! Is that all? Is that all you got? Hey?
Oh, really?
Is that look at this guy, look at this guy's head. Oh. Okay, thank you guys.
Hi, everything. Let me push.
You're gonna push yourself. And then there was one.
I'm not tired.
Hi, everything.
Hi, everything.
Yes, everything. Yeah, everything. Okay. No one else on here now. Oh, it's supposed to cut the other way.
Now it's too scary for me.
What?
It's too scary for me.
But that's dangerous going up there.
No,
Okay, are you gonna come down?
look, see?
There's all the way up there. Yeah, come. Hello. Come on, Mimi. Whee! There you go. Was that fun? Wow, Mimi. You're so clever. Ooh. Yeah, you got the woolly shoes on and all.
Hello.
Hello.
Almost there.
Almost there.
Yay.
Good girl, Mimi. Woohoo. Keep going. Keep going. And come on, you can do it. Go on. Yay. Woo. Yay. Good girl. Come on. Whee. Hello, everything.
No, you're everything. You get off. No.
Where's that guy?
Ah!
Whee.
My bad. No, no. Oh, my bum. Get back down. Oh, my God. Daddy, record me when I go off. Record me when I go off. Daddy, record me when I go off. Oh, my God. Oh, God, I dropped my jelly.
Looking in. Do you want to get off? Do you want to get off, Mimi? Ooh, Mimi's on the swing. You like the swing, baby? Whee! Need another push? You need another push.
Nothing.
Okay.
Hi, everyone. Hi, Victor.
Ow!
Hi.
Ow!
Hi.
Ow!
Hi, Victor.
Ow!
Hi.
Shame.
Hi,
Ow.
Victor.
Whee! Naughty, she's trying to kick me. Ready?
Can you see that? Stay right here. Higher. We want to go higher. We want to go higher.
You alright?
Dad, can you push me?
I don't know how to push you. Ooh. Sorry, son. Kick your legs. Kick your legs, son. That nigga still don't know how to kick his legs. What is that?
Me, everybody. 3, 2, 1. Only move. Oh! Look at us, everybody. Whoop, whoop. Yeah. Move away. Let's get started. Wow! Come.
Walk back this way, honey. Mimi.
Open megaphone is in.
That's not how you walk. Walk properly. Okay.
Okay.
He's trying to look brave doing it. Oh my gosh. Oh. Take those off now, honey.
Mom, you should download those and they let me have you. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, honey.
It don't fit on me.
Uni, what are you doing? Uni,
That's
thank you, honey. They gotta wear these masks. We just finished church. Corona's got New Zealand again, so gotta wear these masks, yo. There you go. Some more people on the line. COVID's back, yo. Let's go. Hey, what's good, man? We here at McDonald's. You know, Sunday's finally finished, and I think we're gonna close out the vlog right there. So, hope you guys enjoyed that little family vlog that we put on for you guys. And we'll catch up next time. Peace.